Hey everyone, today we're diving into how to connect your Shopify newsletter subscribers to ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those already set up, just log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with Shopify. Head over to the Zapier dashboard, click Create, and then select Zaps. If you need any assistance, the Copilot feature is there to help guide you. Next, choose both ConvertKit and Shopify from the list of available options. Then enter the required details on the right side of the screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and input your API key. To find it, go to ConvertKit, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you paste it, click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Repeat the same process to log into your Shopify account and connect it with ConvertKit. After that, configure your settings, click Publish, and you're good to go. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ConvertKit tutorials.